Discover the emotion of victory in motion. Home of knee repair, not knee replacement.
Depending on the level of involvement and the type of meniscus tear, I might walk back that active assistive type motion, but frankly, because the hamstring could potentially pull on the meniscus. So we tend to be a little bit more conservative in that regard because we don't want to disrupt the repair. Unfortunately, success of a meniscus repair is not 100%, so we tend to be a little conservative early on just to not screw anything up, because if you mess something up early on, you're not going to find out until you get to a higher level phase where they start to develop a similar symptom. So we're pretty conservative early on, and I think rightfully so. I know if you look at some of the literature, it'll say, oh, it doesn't really matter, but it's fine. It's literature. You're not going to change the outcome in the first 4 weeks by having to do an active motion. So with meniscus repair, I tend to walk that back. It tends to be a little bit more of a passive range of motion. And then, depending on the type of repair that they had, if it's a meniscectomy, they take a piece out, it doesn't change anything, frankly. But if it's a meniscus repair, depending on the type of tear, location, all those things, your weight bearing status may be limited early on. If they have to do like a hay bale type repair, we tend to be a little bit more conservative with the weight bearing status versus, just I'll say just a bucket handle tear or something like that, or other repairable type tear. But usually at the 4 week mark, with just the bear, we're unlocking that brace. You're getting walking. You're doing things. You're walking and chewing gum with crutches. With a meniscus repair, we're waiting for a full 6 weeks. And with either one, it's time and criteria, right? So if the patient at 4 weeks can't stand on their leg, doesn't have a great quad control, still has swollen, angry knee, we're not going to just allow them to do that because it's 4 weeks, right? So you have to check the box before you move on to that. So it's time and criteria. Either way, it's just a little slower with meniscus repair.